Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to disable or enable Safari on iPhone. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah guys, first thing first that you have to do is you have to open your settings app on your phone. I'm gonna open it right now. And when it opens, you just have to tap on the screen time option at the second section here. After that, at the last option, you will see content and privacy restriction. Just go ahead now. Now you just have to go ahead to allow apps, the second option at the second section. After that, under the mail option, you will see Safari. Here currently disabled. To enable it, you just have to swipe in the toggle switch to the right until it's turned green, like that. The green button, that means enable, and to disable it, you just have to tap on the toggle again at the same way, like that. But here I'm gonna let it enable or on. And now to check it, you just have to go back to your home screen like that. And as you can see here at the bottom, you can see the Safari apps on your phone. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you guys. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.